How about a demonstration of colored pencils? You want to see that? Then you need to watch this video. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I also do children's books. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration of something called a colored pencil. Now you're familiar with most pencils that you write with. Colored pencils, well, they're exactly what it says on the tin. They come in different colors. You know, red, yellow, blue, purple, orange, green, and all that. These can be very handy for drawing. I use these sometimes. When it comes to my comics and such, I rarely use these. I might use these for color studies, and sometimes I also use these in conjunction with other media, like markers and watercolors. Now there's all kinds of different ones out there. I strongly recommend you invest in a good brand like Prismacolors. The ones you see here, these are woodless colored pencils. You can find these at any art supply store. Alright, let me give you a close-up view of some of these. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, pretty neat, isn't it? Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you a little demonstration of these in action. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a drawing here in my big sketchbook. I'm going to do a drawing of Mayor Samuel Sidewinder from my webcomic, Poison Ivy Gulch. I'll just be doing a basic drawing here. I'm going to be using some HB pencil, stick of graphite. This is a water-soluble pencil, but I'm not going to be using any water. Yeah, I'm just going to be using it dry for the flesh tone. Alright, let's get down to business here. Alright, so let's get started here. Draw his big schnozola there. Add in the eye. Okay. Add in his mustache. Add in his hair. Yeah, that's starting to look like something, huh? Yeah, pretty snappy work there. Alright, see if I can get you in closer here. Hang on a second. Let me just move the camera. Alright, come on you. Alright, yeah, let's get you in closer. Alright. Yeah, the mayor is a pretty short guy. Although don't let him hear you say that. Huh? Yeah, you see that? Yeah, he looks kind of faint. We're going to add in some more detail here. Going to darken this with the graphite stick I got. Right. Let's just erase it a little bit there. put in those feet of his. Alright, and there we go. See, he's starting to look like something. Now I'm going to lay in the colored pencils. I'm going to do some of the flesh here. See? It's raw sienna. That's the color I'm using here. A colored pencil is pretty easy to work with. I mean, it's just like using a regular pencil. It takes some practice. I know that Raymond Briggs, who did the famous children's book, The Snowman, as well as the more adult graphic novel, When the Wind Blows, he uses colored pencils to create his work. Alright, see the flesh tone? Now it looks like it's starting to come together. Alright, let's go over here to the colored pencils. Alright, let's get some black there, so I'm going to color in the eye here for the mare. Also going to do his hat. Also work in the mare's suit there. Now, you want to invest in some good quality colored pencils like these. You know, don't get those cheap ones like Crayola or Colorific that you see in the your dollar stores and such. You want something that's good quality. Alright. Here we are. Alright. Just going to grab a brown colored pencil next. Going to color in his legs and feet with those. Alright. Let's see. Do some of that. Right? Oh yes, gotta do the hair and the beard there. Grab a nice orange. Let's see here. There we are. Let's add a bit of a shadow under him. There we go. Last, I'll sign the work. There we go, a simple sketch with pencil, graphite, and colored pencil of Mayor Samuel's Sidewinder. Again, colored pencil is a really neat medium to work with. You know, try them out. See if you like them for drawing cartoons and such. Well, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this is your old pal Max West saying goodbye. Oh yes, hit that bell icon too to be notified of when I do more videos. Until next time, this is Max West saying goodbye.